In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view session history in AnyDesk quickly and easily. This is a simple but useful feature, especially if you want to check which devices you connected to recently, reconnect to a previous session, or keep track of your remote support activity. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open the AnyDesk application on your computer. Once the app launches, you'll land on the main home screen. Take a moment to look at the interface carefully because the session history is shown right there on the main page, on the right side, or sometimes in the lower portion of the window depending on your version of AnyDesk, you'll see a section labeled Recent Sessions or Recent Connections. This is where AnyDesk keeps a list of the most recent clients or devices you successfully connected to. The sessions are arranged in order, with the most recent connection at the top, so the newest activity is always the easiest to find. If you've connected to multiple devices, you can simply scroll through this list to review your recent remote sessions. This is helpful when you need to quickly return to a device you worked on earlier without entering the ID again. It also makes it easier to identify repeated connections, support sessions, or any device you may want to access again later. Keep in mind that this recent session list is based on successful connections, so if a session did not connect properly, it may not appear here. Also, depending on your AnyDesk version and window size, the placement of the session history section may look slightly different, but the feature itself should still be available on the home screen. So, the key thing to remember is to open AnyDesk, go to the main dashboard, and look for recent sessions or recent connections on the right side or bottom area of the window. From there, you can view your session history at a glance and select a previous connection if needed. And that's how you view session history in AnyDesk. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.